Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use music in your video without getting copyright strike. Okay, now we open up Google and then you go to your YouTube. Go into your YouTube and then press the icon on the top right corner, just like your profile pictures, and then go to YouTube Studios. And then go to your audio library and then press the audio library classic for more options. Those videos are different into two tracks. One is attribution required, one is attribution not required. For not required, you can just download and use. You don't need to paste any link on the descriptions. But attribution required, you need to paste the given link in your video descriptions, like this last two. You need to copy and paste in your video description. Some are two lines, some are 3 lines. So you need to copy and paste it in the video descriptions. Okay, or you have another choice. You can go to just for NCS music, no copyright sound, NCS music. Okay, NCS music. And then go to press this, and then go to the videos, and then you scroll down in the video description. You see this 4 line. This is you need to copy and paste in your video description without getting copyright strikes. After pasting it, you can use this music for any of the videos, but you need to paste this link. All this you must paste it. You cannot miss one. The first one is like credit to the authors. The one is the music provided by no copyright sound. Third one is from the watch, where is the source from, and the one is the download source, where you can download it. This all into, if you want to use out of the YouTube, you need to use this. You want to press this, and then you want to apply the license from the NCS. If for YouTube, you just like copy this 4 line and then you are done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tutorial and tech tutorial. And don't forget to share my videos. Thank you for your watching.